Hi there. I'm actor and cookbook author John Tufts. Oh, you guys are just so cute. I can... Today, gang, it's a special episode for two reasons. One, we get to cook something we've never cooked before on Fat Rascals Cooking, a Shakespearean breakfast. And B, I have a new prop. And you know how excited actors get about props. An amazing knife company out of Jackson Hole, Wyoming, New West Knife Works, asked if I'd be interested in featuring their knives in my videos, and I said, aren't I a little small potatoes for you, amazing knife company that makes work of art knives and has been written about in major publications? And they said,
nah, we work with big potatoes all the time. We want to work with your tiny little heirloom potatoes.
And I said, well, I'm your guy because my potatoes are teensy. All I know is their marketing guy must be a genius because I can't think of any market with more untapped potential than Shakespeare-obsessed food geeks in need of a new blade. Ka-ching! Best corporate synergy since Romeo and Juliet. Now, you might ask, what does Shakespeare have to say about knives? To which I say, whoa, what doesn't he say?
Is this a dagger I see before me? The handle toward my hand.
No, Macbeth. It's New West Knife Works' new G-Fusion Teton Edge Santoku, which utilizes a proprietary process to etch a relief of the Tetons, a signature stroke that enhances the performance and optimizes the steel. There, rust, and let me die. Oh, might need a rewrite, Juliet. New West Knife Works uses S35VN powder metal from Crucible Industries, a New York-based world leader in the manufacture of stainless steel. The fact is, the knives they sent me are stunning. They're works of art, and they even customized them. So I feel like the best way to show off what a knife can do is to put it to work. And today, we're going to be making the ultimate Shakespearean breakfast. No, not pancakes. Onions. A sop of onions. 400 years ago, when you were working the fields at 4:30 in the morning, you'd come back at 6:30 and then be greeted by this soup. It's insanely delicious, it's deeply hearty, and it's crazy simple. It only has 5 ingredients. A whole lot of onions, really good bread, water, salt, pepper. That's it. All right, let's get chopping. All right, tell everybody who you are and what you're about to do.
I am about to eat onion soup.
Yes.
That smells really good.
Tell everybody who you are.
I am Henry Tufts. Onion's good. And the soup's good. Let's see if it tastes good together. Yep.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. If you're interested in the book, you can go to my website, john-tufts.com, click on Fat Rascals and order the book. If you want one of these gorgeous, stunning, work of art knives, you can go to newwestknifeworks.com and just scroll in awe. That's your line, partner.
See you later, Shakespeare nerds.